Okay, so allow me to say good morning to everyone. Okay, so today we are going to take a look at our new unit 10. Okay, and the title of unit 10 is Environmental Engineering. Okay, and today we are going to focus mostly on the key terms or keywords in unit 10 only. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here are the keywords in unit 10, which include water purification, contamination, apologize, filtration, sewage, environmental impact, reservoir, flue gas treatment, waste, impurities, and remediation. Okay, so let's get started with the first word. Okay, so the first word is water purification. So water purification clean by removing substances that are dirty, harmful, etc. Okay, so purification comes from the adjective pure. Okay, pure means clear, bodhisat something. Okay, so here are the examples. Number one, a water purification system includes an activated carbon filter and a reverse filter. And number two, distillation has traditionally been the major system for water purification. Next one, contamination. So contamination refers to the presence of dirty or harmful substances in food or water គឺជាវត្តមាននៃសារធាតុដែលកខ្វក់ហើយនឹងប៉ះពាល់សុខភាពដែលមាននៅក្នុងទឹកហើយនឹងចំណីអាហារ For example, there's a danger of serious contamination from radioactive waste. Okay. Number two, contamination could cause lung problems similar to bronchitis and eye and skin problems. Next one, apologize. So apologize means to say sorry. Okay, so you apologize when you do something wrong or when you cause any problem. For example, I must apologize for not being able to meet you. Okay, and number two, I am so sorry. I do apologize. Okay. Next. Okay, so next we have the word filtration. So filtration means the process of passing a liquid through a filter, and a filter refers to a device that removes any materials that are not wanted. For example, the technology is to remove all these contaminants through filtration. Okay. Next, we have the word sewage. So sewage means waste matter produced by human bodies and carried away by sewers. Okay. Let's take a look at the example altogether. Number one, there, not here. Okay, so there, I'm sorry. Number one, there should be greater treatment of sewage before it is discharged. I'm sorry. And number two, it is not enough to get rid of raw sewage by pumping it out to the sea. So it is not a good idea, and it really affects the environment, especially it pollutes the water in the seawater. Next, we have the word impurities. Impurities mean substances that represent a small amount in another substance, making it dirty or of poor quality. For example, impurities removed from the blood by kidneys. So our kidneys have very special function, you know. And number two, a filter will remove most impurities found in water. Next, we have the word remediation. So the remediation refers to the removal of harmful chemicals and industrial waste from an area of land. Okay, here are the examples. Number one is a strategy for the remediation of contaminated land. And number two, a wide variety of site remediation techniques are available. Next, we have the word reservoir. Okay, I'm sure that you have seen the word before in unit 9 or something. Okay. So reservoir refers to a natural or an artificial lake used as a store of water. For example, number 1, this reservoir gives water to the whole city. Okay. And number 2, the oil is pumped from deep underground reservoir. Okay, next one we have the word flue gas treatment. Okay, so the meaning of flue gas treatment is a process of removing harmful substances from the smoke that is produced by factory. And flue gas treatment is really important because without flue gas treatment, then the smoke from all the industry would pollute the environment heavily. Next we have the word environmental impact. So environmental impact means the effect that a particular actions will have on the environment. For example, human activities. Okay, human activities also have a negative impact on the environment. Let's take a look at the example. Number 1, the environmental impact of humans' future energy demand needs further examination. Okay, and number 2, we should consider both individual economic impact and environmental impact. Okay, so we humans need job, we need to do stuff. Okay, so but our activity really have negative impact on the environment. But if we do nothing, it will affect us as individuals. Okay, next one is the word waste. Waste refers to material that is no longer needed and is thrown away. Okay, so we have many kinds of waste. We have solid waste, liquid waste, so on and so forth. Okay, so here are the examples. Number 1, rivers have always been a dumping ground for men's unwanted waste. Okay, as you may have seen, some people throw waste into the lake or the river, and it really pollutes the water and also the living things in the sea or in the lake. And number 2, much of the coast has been contaminated by nuclear waste. So that should be enough for the keywords in unit 10. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much.